If you want to start using Sellfy, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell subscription on Sellfy. So first, head over to sellfy.com and sign up for an account by clicking on Start Free Trial if you haven't already yet creating an account. But if you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. So keep in mind that while Sellfy offers a free trial, you'll need to subscribe to one of their paid plans to access the subscription feature. So once logged in, go on the dashboard and click on the store settings if you haven't yet created or setting up your store. So to create a subscription product, from the dashboard, go to the Products tab on the left side and then click the Add Product. Select the subscription as the product type, and then once you are on the Add a Product Details, give your subscription a catchy and clear name. And for the description, explain what your customers will get with their subscription, exclusive content, services, updates, and etc. After that, you can now set the recurring price for your subscription. You can choose between monthly or yearly billing cycles. And after that, you can customize subscription settings. After setting up the basic details, configure your subscription. You can set up the billing interval, which is you will choose whether the subscription will be billed monthly or yearly or based on a customer period. You can also edit the access period by defining how long customers will have access to your content or service once they subscribe. If you're offering a digital content, you can set up automatic content delivery for your subscribers, ensuring they get access to your products after payment. And after setting up your subscription, click on Publish to make it live on your store, and you can also promote your subscription on social media through email or on your website to drive more subscribers. And that's it. That's how you sell subscription on Selfie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.